Namaskara. I'm Mamatha Pawar speaking about Buddha Purnima. Historically, Buddha Purnima is celebrated to honor the three major milestones of Gautama Buddha's life. The three major milestones are his birth, his enlightenment, and his death, that is called Parinirvana. All these three milestones occurred on the same full moon day, that is Vaishakha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is to celebrate the peace, compassion, and the spiritual truth. The major spiritual truth are the world is full of suffering. Sufferings are caused by the human desires. To end the sufferings, we need to overcome the desires. For example, after the victorious Kalinga war, Ashoka gave up the desires and followed the policy of ahimsa by adopting Buddhism. He sent his two children to spread the knowledge of Buddhism. Buddhism spread along the Silk trade route to China during the 1st century CE, which became the main religion. This year, Buddha Purnima is celebrated on Friday, 2026, May 1st. Buddha Purnima emphasizes us about the truth of life. To get rid of pain, sufferings and negativity, we need to follow the eightfold noble paths of Buddhism to lead a peaceful, happy life. Happy Buddha Purnima. Thank you.